Bro.
Wow, that's amazing. Look at that.
Bro. All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Weird Campfire Cooking. I'm your host, Not Pro Lex, here with Craig, the cameraman. We've done a few different cooking methods here on the show. We've experimented with baking things, boiling things, and just straight up grilling things. But today we're going to ask the question, can you deep fry foods on a campfire using minimal equipment?
Good luck with that.
All right, so I have a few different items for us to try out today. So we're going to take this canteen cup here, and we are going to fill it about halfway with oil. We do have a fire extinguisher just for safety purposes. But we're going to put some oil in here. We're going to heat it up on there, and then we're going to deep fry some treats for you today. So we did Hungry Man last episode on the show. Today we're doing another little twist on the Hungry Man. We got some fried chicken and some jumbo popcorn chicken. We also have some Supreme Pierogies. We've cooked these before as a grilled item. We're gonna see how they turn out deep fried today. We also have a fan favorite, Pizza Pops. I love Pizza Pops, man. Have you ever had a deep fried Pizza Pop? They're dope. It's the best way to cook it. So the first thing we're going to do then is we're going to get this oil on. We're going to heat it up. Oh, we can just do like a splash. All right. Let's get this on there. I'm going to put it like over here so it's kind of stable. Now we wait. Bro.
Wow, that's amazing. Look at that.
Bro, one more. We can handle one more.
Yep, 2 at a time is going to be fine.
That's nothing else.
Wow.
Dude. Wow, man. I worked in restaurants, bro. That's just like restauranting it up.
That looks like a restaurant fryer, man, on a very tiny scale. Like,
yeah. All right, let's retrieve this one. We got another one in there. We're going to try these now. Let's see how well it turns out. All right, let's start with this one. Let's let that one cool. This one, it looks freaking good, man.
definitely cooked, man.
Cooked for sure. Cheers. It's good as hell.
It is so good, man. What? Why do we not deep fry stuff more? Frig, that was good.
Oh, dude.
That's from a TV dinner. Think about that. That's from a friggin' TV dinner.
I'll never look at TV dinners the same way again. All right, so the popcorn chicken was dope. Let's move on to the actual fried chicken. All right, dude, I think this time it went there. There it is.
Wow.
All right, while we wait for those to cool, let's get our next item on. Let's get some of these pierogies. I'm gonna do 4. I don't want to cook all of these. You ready for this, bro?
Yep.
Feel.
Yes.
It's so good.
It tastes like McNuggets, first of all. It smells like McNuggets, too.
This is the only way to cook a TV dinner.
Microwave.
Microwave sucks. Oh, man.
It tastes just like the best McNugget I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
Like a fresh McNugget.
Look at, oh, it started. This one started to burst.
It popped.
This one bursted.
Haha.
Those are cooked for sure.
Nice.
Based. All right, now for the grand finale. Pizza pop. I'm so full.
Yeah, me too, but we're gonna eat it.
We're going, man. We have to do this in the name of science. We're gonna do. We have to do one at a time. I hope there's enough oil. You ready?
I was born ready.
I'm scared.
I'm ready like bready, dude. Oh.
There it is.
Oh.
Wait, the whole thing, man. The whole thing went in. Oh. What have we done?
I might have to eat one.
What have
Unless
we
you
done?
want to split the one that you
We should
cooked
split
first.
it.
We
We
could
should
just
split it,
I would
yeah.
do that. Yeah, that would be better.
All right, you ready for this pierogi?
Yes. Wow. Whoa. That is good.
Really crunchy.
That's quite the pierogi, dude.
So full.
Now imagine this on a larger scale full of pizza, and that's what we're about to eat.
All right, here it is, the final item. A pizza pop. Deep fried on a campfire.
Wow.
So like examine it. Let's take a look here. Oh, dude, touch it, man.
Oh. Yeah, it feels like it was in the oven. That's crazy, and it's not wet at all.
All right, this is the deep fried on a campfire pizza pop.
It's like some weird thing.
We gotta make that music.
Okay. I'm down. That'd be funny.
All right.
Whoa. Wow, I can smell it. It smells like pizza.
Let's go.
Your stupid antics. I like it. Let's go.
I'll eat the bigger one.
Okay.
You
All right.
puss.
You take it. That team hit. Go ahead. Wow. Whoa. Whoa.
It's so good.
That's something else, man.
It's
I can't believe that. Dude, our stuff is actually good. It's not hard to do, guys. It's not hard.
All right. So we've learned today that you 100% can deep fry on a campfire. That was awesome. The chicken was good. The pierogies were good. The pizza pocket, next level. Don't let anything hold you back from cooking the food that you want to cook. All right, thanks so much for checking out this episode of Weird Campfire Cooking. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't ever miss a video from Not Pro Home, including Weird Campfire Cooking, Food Switcheroo, and our vlog series. All awesome stuff. The name of this channel is We Don't Know What the Hell We're Doing, but we're doing it anyway. On behalf of everyone here at Not Pro Home, I'm Lex. Peace.